My name is Lori Jewell, and I'm from Winthrop, Maine, and I'm a former client of Joe Bornstein. It was Thanksgiving Day, and I got up in the morning, it was about 8 o'clock in the morning, I believe, to walk my little dog. I have a little pug. It had snowed the day before, and then we had a warm-up, and the water dripped off the roof onto my porch. I went out the door with the dog, stepped off the porch, and just didn't even realize I had fallen. Like, I had it happen so fast. But I felt a snap, a really big snap, and I looked down and the bone was sticking out from my leg. And there was a lot of blood and I couldn't get up. They took me in the ambulance to Augusta General. Ended up going into emergency surgery. They put a steel rod in my leg. It was tough. You picture yourself in bed after, being a normal person going to work every day, and then all of a sudden you are in bed every day, all day, and you can't do anything for yourself. I had heard about Joe through some friends and through some people at work, and all had very good things to say about Joe. I knew a couple of people that had won some cases, and they said, call him. It doesn't hurt to call. Just give him a call, find out what he says. You can call for free. And the minute I called, I had 3 people on the phone with me, telling me they could help me, and and that they'd send someone over to talk to me and see what happened, and look at the yard and all of that. So it was great. I mean, they were right on it. So he came in and sat right down with me, and he was great. I mean, wanted me to tell him my story from beginning to end. Gave me some advice, what he thought he could do, what he thought I should do. Told me what I needed to do, but it wasn't much. I was just very surprised that I had to really do nothing. It was a phone call, and he took it from there. Then once we started working and they started gathering information and stuff, I'm like, wow, they're really thorough. They know what they're talking about. And any questions I had, they were right back same day. Same day. Anytime I asked a question, they were very good about answering. Any bills I got, anything like that, everything was taken care of. And that to me was, and then, it was just really nice having them call and just check on me and say, hey, how you feeling today? And, it was nice. By the end, I couldn't believe what they got for me. It was like triple what we expected. So that was pretty good. And I never ever, as a single mom, I've lived in apartments since my divorce, and never ever thought I'd be able to buy a house. And I put money down on a house and bought a house. Something happened to somebody that I knew, I would tell them to at least call, because if you don't call, you're not going to know. And, they listen to you, you tell them the situation, and they'll tell you if they can help you or not. I'm so glad that I called, because if I didn't, I don't know where I'd be right now. It was really scary. So that's my advice to anyone, is to just call.
The law offices of Joe Bornstein, Maine lawyers working for Maine people. There is one number you need to know. It's Call Joe.